This is Gitanjali from Bayan Times. Today's top headlines. Andhra Pradesh coronavirus tally crosses 600 mark, total deaths at 15. The COVID-19 cases in Andhra Pradesh crossed the 600 mark on Saturday with 31 samples testing positive in the past 24 hours. The tally now stands at 603 positive cases in the state. The death toll rose to 15 in the state after a person from Krishna district died. According to the media bulletin, of the 31 fresh cases, 18 were recorded in Krishna district alone, taking the total number of COVID-19 positive cases to 70. 5 cases were recorded in Kurnool, taking the tally in the district to 129, the highest in the state. One lakh RDT kits here, Andhra Pradesh to do 10,000 tests daily. The CM has given his specimen to send across a message that people can get tested without any apprehensions. If anybody tests positive, they don't need to panic as we have a good team of doctors and healthcare workers at COVID-19 hospitals and quarantine centers, said Dr. Rambabu, who conducted the test. According to the Chief Minister's office, Andhra Pradesh is the first state in India to have imported RDT kits from South Korea. They were manufactured by Seoul-based firm SD Biosensor Inc. and presented to the Chief Minister by the company's Indian partner Sandor Medicals Private Limited. In a move set to ramp up community screening for COVID-19 in Andhra Pradesh, the state on Friday received 1 lakh rapid diagnostic test RDT kits from South Korea. "500 beds, ventilators to be raided at SVIMS. TTD Chairman YV Subba Reddy has said 500 beds with ventilators will be raided at Sri Padmavati Medical College for Women designated COVID-19 hospital on the Sri Venkateshwara Institute of Medical Sciences SVIMS campus in Tirupati in a couple of days. After inspecting the hospital on Friday morning, the TTD chairman discussed Medicare facilities in the hospital with Vice Chancellor and Director of SVIMS, Dr. Vengama, and District Collector Narayana Bharat Gupta. Telangana can now avail Rs 1,728 crore under enhanced WMA limit. The RBI's decision to increase the ways and means advance limit of the states by 60% has come as a major relief to Telangana as it can now avail up to Rs 1,728 crore under WMA. The states can avail the facility till September 30. On April 1, the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) decided to increase the WMA limit by 30% from the existing limit to all states based on the recommendations of Sudhir Srivastava Advisory Committee. However, the RBI revised the WMA limit of the states on Friday by 60% over and above the level as on March 31, 2020, keeping in mind the needs of the state governments in this present crisis. The increase in WMA limit will provide some financial respite to the state government. First COVID positive case reported in Mancherial. First COVID-19 positive case has been confirmed in Muthiraupalli village in Chennur Mandal of Mancherial district, said Collector Bharti Holikeri. The woman was suffering from fever. She had gone to a private hospital in Mancherial, from where she was shifted to King Koti Hospital in Hyderabad. From there she was referred to Gandhi Hospital. However, she died on the way to hospital on April 14. After her death, samples were collected and sent for testing, which came back positive. Officials have collected details of 14 members, including her family members and MedLife private hospital doctors and staff who provided primary treatment to the woman who was sent to Mandemari government quarantine. With this, we conclude with our today's news headlines. For more such latest news and updates, like, share and subscribe Bayan Times. Stay tuned, stay updated.